What's up YouTube? My name is Malaysia Mariana. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming an unboxing haul. I ordered I needed to re-up on the basics for my makeup, you know, foundation, setting powder. So we're just going to get into it. I'm not even going to talk because I'm so excited. So this is the Ulta box. Yeah, so let's just get right into it. I'm literally using my tweezers to cut this open because I was too lazy to look for the scissors. Out of here. So I'm going to be going on vacation really soon. Super excited for that. I recently just turned 21. So I needed more products. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so first I ordered a mascara because I don't know if you can tell, but I didn't even put any on for this video because I literally ran out. The Better Than Sex mascara. This is Too Faced. It's bomb. You know what I'm saying? I also ordered the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. I ordered the travel size one because, like I said, I'm going to be going on vacation soon. And then I also not a primer girl. Never have been, you know, but I guess I was just willing to try. I need to start wearing primer honestly because I have the most oily skin. So I need a really nice primer as a base. What is this? Oh. Before I put on my foundation, you know what I'm saying? So this says, with coconut water, probiotic based ingredients, silicone free, we love your skin even when you don't. Oh, it has a pump. I love products that come with a pump. Oh, okay. That was a lot. I didn't expect that much to come out. It feels good. It smells good. I also bought some lashes because, you know, your girl always needs some more lashes. I just bought the Ardell Wispies. They're in the number 113. Basic lashes. What else? Okay, so I was really actually excited to get this because I seriously needed to invest, you know, in a baking powder. Trying to save them coins, honey. Wanting to test out the Makeup Revolution baking powder. This is in their shade Banana. Okay, so you know, on Ulta they have little deals, if you spend a certain amount with a certain makeup brand that you get certain products for free. So I think it was with Too Faced, spend 40, get a free tote, and the tote was so cute. It was so cute. I saw, oh my god, I was like, oh my god, it's so cute. I gotta spend $40 to get it. And then Makeup Revolution 2 was having another deal like that as well. But theirs is a little different. I also got Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray. Okay, so with Makeup Revolution, their deal that they were having was spend 15, get the free Fiercest Fire palette. So this is what the palette looks like. Super pretty colors. My camera just turned off. I don't know what I got, but I was just talking about how cute this bag was. Yeah, now I was just talking about it. Spend $40 on Ulta on Too Faced products and you can receive this. So cute with the little fruits, and they have little faces on them. And it says Tutti Frutti. Is this a Tutti Frutti? Yeah, it does. It's just so cute. You know, I just throw everything in here and go on the beach. Yes, I'm ready.
Y'all
getting this? I was just so excited for this bag. Okay, I'm done. Honestly, I think that was everything that I got from Ulta. Let's move on to Sephora. Okay, wait, let me tell you the prices. Oh no, they ain't put the prices on here. I'm gonna put them in the description. Okay, let's do Sephora. I'm just so excited. Yes, y'all! Okay! Okay, now it's getting real up in here, okay? I was just trying to decide first. which foundation that I wanted to order. It was between Born This Way, Fenty, or the NARS Natural Radiant. I just fell for Fenty. I'm not even gonna like be extra with it because like there's tons of YouTube videos on this foundation, but I'm just gonna tell you what shade I ordered, and then I'll definitely be doing a Fenty First Impressions, foundation for me, my first impression for Fenty foundation. What color? Oh, okay, so I got it in the shade 390. Next, I ordered the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I picked this up in the color Sand. I ordered the Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter in Trophy Wife. I already know, y'all know what this looks like too, but this is my first time seeing it and like actually holding it in my hand, so forgive me. What is it with products not wanting to open? Like, I'm not trying to break my nail, I'm trying to open this. Okay, I got it. I just need one of those like choir music background, like everything, like this highlighter is just like blinding. I cannot stand silver highlight, like, and it's hard to find a good gold highlight, especially for like more darker toned girls. Like, it's hard to find a gold highlight, and it shows gold, on the palette, and then when you start to apply it and it starts to look like kind of silvery, like, no. This, I already know it's like real life gold, like, no joke. Like, OMG, babe, I'm about to be blind in the whole Tiger Walk with this. Like, hey, like, oh shit, I put a little too much on because I got some on already, but I ain't going nowhere, okay? So it's okay if I plan it, Right here. This is ridiculous. Like, ridiculous. I'm dripping in gold right now. I'm dripping. There's still time left on my finger. Like, I'm barely like touching my face with that. Like, oh my gosh. It's gorgeous. You already know I'm gonna be rocking this, so don't ask what's on my face, because this is what's on my face. I promise you, this is what's gonna be on my face. I'm not going back to anything else because I cannot stand a silver highlight. It's just not cute to me at all. Oh yeah, I also ordered the Fenty Beauty Matchstick and the color Espresso. So I think Espresso might have been like the second to last color. It might have not been the darkest color. The darkest color looked too cool, but like this looks like it's kind of warm. That's so pretty. That's like perfect. That's it.